everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So don't mind my greasy ass face. I have literally had this makeup on for like 13 or 14 hours now. I got ready like at 6:30 this morning and now it's like 8 o'clock. So I figured I would just go ahead and keep this on my face so that I could, you know, record a skincare video for you guys. I've had a lot of people requesting me to do one. I get a lot of compliments on my skin because I'm old as hell. And I guess I don't look my age. I do have a 21-year-old, a 19-year-old, and a 17-year-old. So y'all do the math. I ain't gonna tell, you know, how old I am, but you know, y'all figure it out. Anyway, so I figured I would go ahead and just film my nighttime skin routine. My daytime skin routine is about the same. There's only one thing that I do at night that I don't do in the morning, and that is use a face steamer. So I was lucky enough to have this company send me a face steamer to try to test for you guys and to do a review to see, you know, how I like it. They will be offering a discount code for this item if you guys wanted to purchase it. The discount code will be in the description box below. They sent me this item, but you know, it's my opinion. I ain't gonna be reviewing stuff I don't like. Y'all know that. If there's something on this channel I don't like, I'm gonna let y'all know, but I do like this item. And it is by Good Sky, and this is what it looks like. So it's just a little tiny face steamer. So the steam comes out of the top here. You twist that off and you put the water in there and then it just steams out. So I've been using this for a couple weeks now and I do this at night, like I said. So steamers are good for opening up your pores. They help to unclog pores, which, you know, clogged pores cause, you know, pimples and all that kind of craziness. So I like using this face steamer at night because that's when I wash my face. You know, with your pores wide open, you don't want to go ahead and, you know, cake makeup and stuff back on there. So I figured I would just record my nighttime skin routine for you guys and let you guys see what I use. So I don't use anything that's like super over the top or expensive. Only one item that I use that's a little more expensive, and that is the Nerium face cleaner. There it is. Linwood and Allison of Glamfam use this stuff religiously. I really, really like it. As you can see, it's almost empty. It works really, really well. It cleans your skin really nicely. And I noticed after a few days of just using it how much smoother my skin looks and how clean my skin feels. But when my skin is breaking out, I like to use good old Clearasil. And you know, she never does me wrong. She definitely, you know, clears me up pretty quickly. And this is the green, I don't know if you guys can see. It's almost like a clay. It looks white on camera, but it's got a green tint to it. I love using this stuff when my skin, like I said, is broke out because it clears me up super quick. So the items that I use with my cleansers are these little pads. This has a really rough side and it has a more soft side. I like using the rough side because exfoliation, I think, is key to keeping your skin healthy and looking younger. You know, it just helps to remove all the surface dead skin, all the surface, you know, crap that's sitting on your face. So, you know, I think exfoliation, not like scrubbing your damn skin off, not that kind of exfoliation, but a light exfoliation, you know, daily, I think helps a lot with keeping your skin healthy. These are those like dry erase, like erase, you know, erase away makeup, erase your makeup, you know, makeup off, like pads. They're microfiber. I'm sorry, she's a little dirty. Like, I love these. Anybody who I talk to about makeup removers, I'm like, don't waste your money on makeup removers anymore. But I love these things. I use these all the time. You only need water and it literally takes off all your damn makeup and they work amazing. I use my Mia. I use that as well. Sometimes if I feel like my skin just really feels cakey and it feels like if I've had just a breakout and my skin's sort of clearing up, I will go in with this Mia to scrub, you know, anything excess off of my skin, and it just, you know, it just removes that layer of grudge. So after I wash my face, I always tone, clean and clear toner. I love this stuff. It helps with breakouts, and after you wash your face, you know, your pores are wide open. This helps to remove any more surface, you know, garbage or, you know, dirt that you didn't get off while you're cleaning. And it also helps to close your pores back down. That way you're not, you know, your pores are not wide open and, you know, stuff's not, you know, floating in there. After I tone, I always moisturize, and the Aveeno Positively Radiant Moisturizer is what I have been using this for years. I use this, and I also use one that has a little bit of salicylic acid in it if I feel like I'm breaking out a little more, or if I feel like my skin tone's just a little off from breakouts, then I'll use that. But they are about the same. They have SPF in it, and I love this stuff. Yeah, so those are really the products that I use. Besides, and I know y'all don't want to hear, drinking water, you know, staying out of the sun, using SPF, and I don't smoke cigarettes or anything like that. You know, those few things there also help with your skin. I know y'all don't want to hear it. I know y'all heard it before, but I'm serious. Those things right there make a world of a difference in your skin. So I figured I would go ahead and show you guys how I wash my face, and I wanted to show you guys this cute little steamer as well and how that works. So yeah, if you guys wanted to, you know, watch me wash my face since I've been rambling on, go ahead and make sure to stay tuned. Put her somewhere safe. Okay, so I have removed my eyelashes, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and dip this in some water. I usually use pretty warm water. Hot water usually seems to like help take things off and just to help open up my pores even more. So I'm gonna use this. I literally just got it wet, wrung it out, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe across my eyeliner. You guys will see how well that wipes off. Two wipes and about gone. So yeah, you can see a few wipes and it's gone. And that's just with water. I don't have anything else on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my whole face with this. You can see how it's just wiping everything right off. Like, I love these things. Now I'm just going ahead back in with the water, re-wetting it because it gets a little dry, and just gonna finish washing all that off. Okay, so all that with no makeup wipe, just with these little, you know, towels. I love these things. Yeah, now she bald face. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys how well that removed my makeup. I'm just gonna go in with the toner real quick with this white cotton pad so I can wipe across my face. So you guys can see like that really removes a lot of the makeup. There's literally almost no makeup on there. So you can see how well those pads remove makeup. And with the Clearasil, the Clean and Clear, just a few little dabs because it doesn't take much. And I'm gonna go in today with my little pad. I'm just gonna wet it down. And I usually just do this for, you know, like a minute or two. I know as we women get older, I break out a lot of my jawline, so I always make sure to, you know, get that area really well. Go back in with the makeup eraser. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face off with that. So before I do my moisturizer and my toner, I like to go in with the little face steamer. I will insert some clips of how you use it. It's really, really easy to use. It comes with this little cup, which I've already put water in for the water in the top, and the top twists off and on. And I'm going to turn it on and let you see, you know, what it does. Okay, so after a few seconds pouring the water in, it starts to sound like a coffee pot. I don't know if y'all can hear that. And the steam will start coming out. Now there's one thing, that not a lot of steam comes out, but I found that it's enough to steam your face. I don't know if you guys can, hopefully you guys can see the steam coming out. I'm just gonna lean my face over it, and it gets really, really warm. Okay, so after I use the steamer, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Clean and Clear toner. I use these little round cotton pads. So I'm gonna put enough on there just to sort of soak it. You guys can see, there it is. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use that all around my face. I wanna make sure to get the areas that I have breakouts, so I have a few there and a few, you know, on my chin and also down on my neck. Okay, so when my toner is completely dry, that's when I'm gonna go in with my Aveeno Daily Moisturizer. I like my face to be nice and slick. Use a lot of this. I just make sure that I have an excessive amount because you can never have enough moisturizer. I like to use a lot of this and just to make sure to get it all over my face and rub it in. And then I'm gonna get another pump or half a pump on my fingers, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and rub that down onto my neck. I think people forget about their neck. Your neck needs to be moisturized too. Like, drag that product down onto your neck, please. I do put this on my eyelids and under my eyes. So yeah, you can see that that soaks into the skin really nicely after just a minute or so of rubbing it in. And this is also the moisturizer that I use in the morning under my makeup. So it works amazing, you know, for your makeup as well. But yeah, that is about it. I don't really use any night creams or eye creams, but if you guys have any really good, you know, creams or night creams, eye creams that you guys use, leave them in the comments below. I would love to see what you guys are using. I love trying new skincare products. I will make sure to link everything in the description box that I have used. I'll also make sure to link this face steamer. There's a coupon code that you guys can use for the purchase of this. Super affordable, super easy to use. I love this thing. It's been a really good addition to my nighttime skincare routine. So yeah, anyway, that's all I do, guys. If you guys were thinking it was gonna be some big bad secret, that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also make sure to hit the notification bell. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time.